number 22. For the linear function f, the table shows three values of x and their corresponding values of f of x. If h of x is equal to f of x minus 13, which equation defines h? So what is given is that h of x is equal to f of x minus 13. And later in the answer choices, we do not have f of x, only terms of x. Which means we have to now replace the f of x such a way that we can use the input and output from this table and replace f of x with some function and find out what rule it is. Now the question also says that the equation that defines the linear function f. So the function f is linear. So since it is linear, the function will be of this form. F of x is equal to mx plus b, where m and b are constants. So it's given in the table that when x is equal to negative 4, f of x is equal to 0. So we can substitute negative 4 for x and 0 for f of x in the equation. So f of x is equal to mx plus b. This will yield 0 is equal to m times negative 4 plus b. And then further we can simplify 0 is equal to negative 4m plus b. Now let us add 4m to both sides. So we will get b to be equal to 4m, because on the right side negative 4m and plus 4m will cancel. So that means now our f of x function is equal to mx plus b. We will replace this b by 4m. So f of x would be equal to mx plus 4m. Now let us use another set of input and output to get some more clarity about what is the function. So for the input x is equal to negative 19 by 5, f of x is equal to 1. We will substitute this also in this function, f of x. So f of x, since it is equal to mx plus 4m, we will put it here. So 1 is equal to m times negative 19 by 5 plus 4m, and we will simplify this. Since both of these terms are m terms, we can add them. So since we have to add fractions, we need a common denominator. So 1 will be equal to, so I'll multiply and divide the second term by 5. So I have a common denominator. So here I'll have negative 19m plus 4 times 5 is 20 plus 20m. So that means 1 is equal to 1 by 5m. Now we will multiply both sides of this equation by 5 so that we can get the value of m. So this side by 5 and this side by 5. So this side the 5's cancel out and we will be left with m is equal to 5. So that means now our function f of x, we know that it was mx plus 4m. And now we know the value of m. We will replace m by 5. So f of x is equal to 5x plus 4 times 5. So f of x is equal to 5x plus 20. Now we know that h of x is equal to f of x minus 13. And now we can replace this f of x in terms of x. F of x is 5x plus 20. Let us replace that. So 5x plus 20 minus 13. And further simplification can be done because 20 minus 13 can be done. That is nothing but 7. So 5x plus 7. This will be our h of x function in terms of x. So this is matching to answer choice B. H of x is equal to 5x plus 7. So because of the table of values given and because of the linear function f, it's mentioned, because of that we are easily able to find out what the function f is. What is the slope and the y-intercept. Then we have just replaced it in the h of x function.